Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paint sprayer for DIY that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VONFORN VF803 700W HVLP paint sprayer. This 700W HVLP sprayer hits a sweet spot for home tasks. It comes with 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns. The kit includes cleaning and blowing joints, which makes maintenance simple. It suits furniture, cabinets, trim, and small walls. Atomization is smooth when you thin. Thicker paints a bit. Flow control is easy to dial, so you waste less paint. The gun is light enough for longer sessions. It is a solid starter if you want a clean finish on a budget. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. The MaXpray M1 is an airless unit built for speed. It handles thicker latex without thinning. Coverage is fast for rooms, siding, and decks. It ships with useful accessories to get you spraying right away. Overspray is lower than many budget airless sprayers when set right. You can push up to 10 gallons on larger projects. The hose and gun feel sturdy for DIY use. It is a step up if you want to finish walls and exteriors in a day. At number 3, we have the HomeRight Super Finish Max. This HVLP favorite is well known for clean cabinet work. It includes 3 brass tips and 3 spray patterns. Brass tips hold shape better than plastic and help atomization. I like it for doors, trim, and furniture refinish work. You will still thin thicker paints for best results, but the finish can look pro when you dial the flow and distance. Cleanup is easy with warm water for water-based products. It is friendly to beginners and consistent for skilled DIY users. At number 2, we have the Graco Project Painter Plus 257025. Graco's Project Painter Plus is a trusted entry airless. It can pull paint right from a bucket. The pressure is adjustable, and the RAC4 tip is easy to clear. It is built to tackle rooms, fences, and small exteriors. I like the option to run a longer hose for reach. You will hear it run, but that is normal for airless. Cleanup is faster with their flush system hooked to a garden hose. It is a strong brand pick for long-term DIY use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tilswall Shark 800 800W HVLP sprayer. The Tilswall Shark 800 has an 800W motor and a 1300 ml cup. That big cup cuts refills on walls and fences. 4 nozzles and 3 patterns help you dial in. It is useful for walls, cabinets, and outdoor furniture. More power helps atomize thicker coatings after light thinning. Weight rises when the large cup is full, so take breaks. The tool aims to reduce clogs when cleaned on time. It is a strong mid-level HVLP for busy DIY weekends. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.